Hey guys, welcome to video number 6. Can you believe it? We're almost done with this mini solar classes. Hopefully by now you have a pretty good understanding on how solar will benefit you and your home. I'm looking forward getting you started in the process. Speaking of process, here is where homeowners will share lots of frustration because they're not explained upfront how long will it take from beginning to end. My goal today is to walk you through this process so you have a clear picture of how long will it take from installation to getting approved to operate the system. By now I'm pretty sure you have scheduled a solar consultation. This is your first step. Here is what to expect. I'm going to explain the program and make sure solar is the right fit for you and your home. I'm going to answer all the questions you and your spouse might have. I'm going to explain our PPA agreement and we'll have you sign it, and we'll assist you with all the required permits to get your solar installation approved. Homeowners Association permit, electrical provider permit, county permit, and in some areas, zoning is required. You have nothing to worry about. We process and pay for all these permits ourselves. Also, I will schedule a site survey for a technician to come over and measure your roof and qualify the rest of your home. Plan for this appointment to last about an hour. Our next step in the process is the site survey. I have covered this in details in video number 4. On this video, I will just mention that once the technician shows up to your home, he will spend the first 15 minutes inside looking at 3 things: electrical panel, attic, and the internet connection. Then he will move into measuring and qualifying your roof. Altogether, plan for this step to take about 45 minutes. Once all your permits are approved, we will set up a day to come over and do the installation. 90% of the times we finish the installation in one day. Our crew shows up about 8:30 in the morning and they are usually done by 4 or 5 p.m. in the afternoon. This is an appointment that we will need someone at home all day. After we have processed the installation paperwork and pictures, we will set up a time for an inspection to be done by the county. This is an appointment that is done on the county schedule and they usually have an all-day arrival window. Once the installation passes the inspection, we will arrange for your meter to be swapped. On that one, you don't need to be home. Your electrical provider just shows up and in about an hour or so, they swap your existing meter to net metering. Once your electrical provider has swapped your meter, it's waiting time. For the most part, we're waiting on your electrical provider to send us a letter that your solar installation has been given permission to operate. On an average basis, electrical providers here in Maryland have 90 days for they to give you permission to operate your system. On an average basis, our process from beginning to end will take about 6 months. Don't let anybody else sell you the idea that it will take less time. Alright, this is the end of video number 6. I'm looking forward to meeting you on our solar consultation and energy analysis.